Hi team, this is Trainer Mon again, and hulaan ko kung bakit ka nandito kasi napanood mo yung video ko dun sa kabilang app. Okay, dun sa kabilang app na nandito yung complete na tutorial for this particular topic. Paano nga ba natin kinukuha yung discount? Okay, sa Excel. Of course, again, ulitin lang natin yung data set na meron tayo. We have product, price, discount, and the total. Okay, remove ko lang to. Again, ang question dito, paano natin kukunin yung final price or yung total, 'di ba? Yung total nung price natin. Ilaless na natin yung discount, which is the 10%. Okay? In our formula world, nagkaroon ng formula world, it always start with the equal sign. Okay? Ito lang yung technique diyan. Lagi niyong i-click kung ano yung pinakang price niya. And next will be the equal or minus sign. Okay, it will represent na the value that we're going to get for the second formula that we're going to do is the deduction. Kung ano man yung magiging value nun. So we start with the open close parenthesis, meaning to say in mathematics, yun muna yung gagawin natin na for the open close parenthesis, it will calculate on their own, then ima-minus natin sa value ng V2. Okay? So, i-click ko lang yung price, and then start with the asterisk, and then what will be the discount, click that, and then i-close ko lang siya. Okay? Parang math lang to. Okay, of course, itong dalawa na to, mag-multiply siya, kukunin niya yung value, and then, pag nakuha na yung value, another, yung B2, which is 4,5, ima-minus niya yung kung ano yung magiging value nun. Okay? Ganun lang kadali yung formula for this one. Walang complex. Okay? And then, hit nyo lang yung enter, it will give you the value. Ang kagandahan nito, direct na tong naka-minus. Okay? And then, syempre, meron tayong features kay Excel if you are using the O365. Okay, so gagawin mo lang, wait for the cursor to turn into thin black, meaning to say you activated the autofill. When we say autofill, that's another features of Excel wherein kung ano yung ginawa mo dito na formula, it will also apply to the next cell na i-drag mo yung copy. So, ibababa ko lang siya and it will automatically captured. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali. Okay, kung natuto kayo, i-share nyo na to with your friends, with co-workers, and also follow me in my YT and to my other app. Okay? Also, that's only Trainer Mod. Search me, okay, visit my profile, my profile, the details is there, and also the training for this 2026. We have that this coming January 10. Okay, message nyo lang ako in my blue app page, dun sa black page, alam nyo na yon, yung uso yung sayawan, meron din ako doon ko sinashare yung mga training natin. Okay, kita-kits, kung natuto ka, thank you so much and follow mo na ako in kita-kits tomorrow. This is Raymond and kita-kits tayo tomorrow. Bye-bye for now!